there, my name is Michael. In this video we are going to talk about what Forex is, explain how it works, and also we're going to do some few calculations, how to calculate your profit. Yes, that's very important. Seriously, you want to know how much you have made each pip. And also we're going to be talking about some of the Forex terms that is commonly used. Also watch out for the part 2. Let's go. So, what is online Forex trading? The foreign exchange market, otherwise known as the Forex market, is a worldwide, decentralized, over-the-counter financial market for the trading of currencies. Forex traders trade currencies of different countries against one another and take advantage of the exchange rate fluctuations which occurs almost every second. I mean, imagine if you buy an apple at 5 naira, then in the next minute the price rises to 7 naira and you sell it at 7 naira. So you know the kind of the profit you have made on it. That's almost like what Forex is. Every single second the price keeps on changing. It can also change for the good or for the bad, depending on how much you bought the currency you are currently holding. Because sometimes you could have bought the currency maybe at 5 naira and later it drops to 3 naira, so or $3. That will be a loss. So which means you have to wait for it either to rise back up to 4 naira or higher than that so that you can make your profit. Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do. What are you waiting for? Just click the red button underneath the video.